welcome to Kitchen ABCs. I'm Chef Cheryl, and thanks to Runza for supporting our program. Today, we have a special guest. We have Princess Rose. Come on over, Princess Rose.
Hello, Chef Cheryl. Hi, everyone.
How are you today?
Oh, I'm doing wonderful.
Oh, great. Do you like to cook?
I love to cook.
Great. Well, we're going to make a recipe, and then we're going to have a tea party. Do you like tea parties?
Oh, I love tea parties.
Oh, great. So we're going to make a couple of recipes in the next couple of weeks, and then we'll have a tea party. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is figure out what to put in our sandwiches. We're making pinwheel sandwiches today. They're fit for a princess. We want to have things that people like, so you can choose lots of things that you like. We start off with spreads, and I have lots of different spreads here. Do you like peanut butter? It makes a great pinwheel sandwich. I have apple butter here, or if you have jelly, that might work. I have a couple of kinds of hummus and some cream cheese, different flavors of cream cheese if you like that. And even if you like mayonnaise or mustard, any of those things will be great. We're going to use some tortillas. Now we have two kinds. We have spinach tortillas and we have regular ones. Princess Rose, which one would you like to try?
Well, I will try this one.
Okay, get one of those. Now our hands are all washed, so we're all clean and safe. I'm gonna try a spinach one. Okay. Now this is what's fun, is you can decide and try new things. You can experiment. First thing we're gonna do is think about a spread you wanna put on it. Like, what kind of things go together? So what would you like to use, Princess Rose?
I will use the apple butter.
Ooh, that sounds really good. Okay, so you can take one of your spatula or a spreader here. I think I'm going to try the garden vegetable cream cheese.
That sounds delicious.
Yes. What you'll do, take whatever spread you have and spread it all over. Maybe leave about an inch around the outside. Each one of these is going to make about 6 to 8 little pinwheel sandwiches. Just kind of a thin coat, because when we roll it up, it'll be a lot thicker. That looks delicious. Nice job.
No, thank you. You too.
Now the next thing is you have to think about what else you want to put on here. We have avocado and carrots and cucumber. And then fruits, we have bananas and apples. Now there's so many other things you could try. Maybe there's tomatoes or red peppers to give it a little more color. I don't know if that would go very well with your apple butter. So what would you like, Princess Rose?
I think I will try the bananas and the apples.
Ooh, you're going to have a very nice sweet sandwich. Go ahead and sprinkle some on.
Is there a correct amount of how many I should put on?
You don't want to put too many, but just kind of get them spread out.
And is it okay to use your hands when you're spreading?
If your
these
hands
around?
are clean, you can. Ooh, that looks so good. Nice job. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to put some Swiss cheese on mine. It's like that. Okay. Turkey and cheese.
Sounds very good.
So nice thin slices, just like that. Now you might think this is a little weird, but I'm gonna put some apples on mine. Have you ever tried apples and cheese?
I haven't, but I'm excited to try
Ooh.
some.
some salt. We're gonna start rolling things. You're gonna start at the bottom and you're gonna try to roll it up, just like that. Now it's gonna start moving a little bit, so it might squish a little bit out at the end, but that's okay.
It does squish.
It does. Now try to get it as tight as you can, but it's fine. It will still work out. Okay, I put the seam side down so it wouldn't squirt out. If you want, you can stop here and then wrap it in plastic wrap and let it go in the refrigerator for a little while, and then you can cut it. But we're just gonna go ahead and cut it. So first thing we need are some toothpicks. So what we're gonna do is put some toothpicks to hold it. Depending on how thick you want them, we'll put some in here because we're gonna cut in between each one. Now the ends aren't gonna turn out quite as well as the middle ones, so you might just have to eat those end pieces. Okay, so I have a knife here, and we'll start with mine. I'm gonna cut the end off, just like that, and that'll be a piece you can eat. Okay, and then we're gonna cut in between our toothpicks. Okay, look at that. First couple aren't as pretty as the middle ones are, but they still look. I'm just gonna cut in between my toothpicks. Aren't they? They are. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay.
Go ahead.
And that's one of those ends that we can just eat, right?
Yes. Now if you kind of saw it, and if we had a serrated knife, it would work even better. It wouldn't squish it quite so much.
Oh, that's so cute. Can't wait to taste these.
Great job, Princess Rose.
Oh, my, thank you. You're such a great teacher. And this is such a fun recipe.
It is. I just like it because it's so creative. Everybody can make something different and taste their own and other people's. Nice. So we're finished with this recipe, so we're going to continue next week and make a great dessert, and then Princess Rose and I will have a princess tea party. I'm so excited. We'll see you next time.